Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to solve Bluetooth network problem on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. From here you have to scroll down to connection and sharing. Okay, click on it. After you have been click on it again, you have to scroll down to reset Wi-Fi mobile network and Bluetooth. Then here click on reset setting. You have to confirm your lock screen password. If you want to solve the problem of Wi-Fi network, mobile network, data network and the Bluetooth network, just click on OK, and this all problem of the network will be fixed and it will be solved. Okay, on your mobile phone you just click on OK, and this what is problem on your mobile phone will be reset by this. Okay, you just need to click on OK. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.